Hello everyone, my name is Prithvi and I am currently a third year BTech student at Vishnu Institute of Technology. As a part of our full stack web development capstone project guided by Prashant sir, I will be discussing some basic Node.js interview questions. These are very crucial for anyone aspiring to start a career in web development using Node.js. And these are the basic Node.js interview questions that have been provided. Now moving on to the first question here, what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? To this we can say that Node.js is runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript on server side. Unlike traditional server-side technologies like Apache or PHP, Node.js uses an event-driven non-blocking I/O model. This makes it lightweight and efficient, especially when data insensitive real-time applications. Apache is a web server that processes requests and delivers to web content, while PHP is a scripting language often embedded with HTML to create dynamic web pages. On the other hand, Node.js enables JavaScript to handle these server tasks, making it possible to use some languages on both sides of client and server to the web application. This is what for the first question. And now for the second question, what is a callback function in Node.js and why they are commonly used in asynchronous programming? To this, a callback function is a function passed into another function as an argument, which is better than invoked inside the outer function to complete some kind of routine or action. In general, we can say that functions we use regularly in our programming like Python or C. In Node.js, callbacks are heavily used because of asynchronous nature. Asynchronous programming allows tasks to be executed without blocking the main program flow. This means Node.js can handle multiple operations simultaneously, improving performance and efficiency, especially for I/O operations like reading files or making HTTP requests. To the third question, what is the purpose of package.json file in the Node.js project, and can you explain these key properties found in the file? The package.json file is critical component of any Node.js project. It contains metadata about the project and it is used to manage the dependencies, scripts and other configurations. Key properties of this file include name, the name of the project, version, the current version of the project, description, a brief description of the project, main, the entry point of the application, usually the main script JavaScript file, and scripts to run various tasks like start, test, or build, dependencies, a list of packages required for the project to run, and lastly, dev dependencies, packages needed only for development such as testing or building tools. Now going on to the fifth question. What is the middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you give an example on how you use middleware in the Express application? To this, middleware in Express.js refers to the function that execute during the request response cycle. These functions have access to request and response objects and can modify them, and the request response cycle or pass control to the next middleware. Now I will show you the basic syntax for this middleware. This is the basic syntax for the middleware in the express.js. Now going on to the sixth question. What is RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. An RESTful API is an application programming interface that allows the principle of REST, representational state transfer. It uses standard HTTP methods and can be stateless. You can create a RESTful API using Node.js and Express.js by defining routes and handling requests with appropriate HTTP methods. Main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs are get, post, put, and delete. Get is used to retrieve data from the server. Post is used to send new data to the server. Put is used to update existing data on the server. And delete is used to remove the data from server. Now I will show you the basic syntax for this RESTful API and how to handle the HTTP methods. This is the basic syntax on how to use the HTTP methods in RESTful APIs. Here to post, this is the post, and this is put, and this is delete, and the listen. This and this is the get, and these are the basic HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. Now moving on to the next question. What is the purpose of Node Package Manager (NPM) and how it is used to manage dependencies in NodeJS project? NPM Node Package Manager is a tool that helps you to manage dependencies like libraries and packages in the NodeJS project. It allows you to install, update, and remove packages as well as manage versions and dependencies of your project. To use npm, we need to initialize the project by using the command npm init. This is used to create a package.json file. And next, to install the package, we need to execute the command npm install package name, and this is used to add the package to your project and update package.json. Next, remove a package. To remove a package, we need to execute the command npm uninstall package name. This used to remove the package from your project. And at last, we need to list all the installed packages by using the command npm list. This is what about this question. And lastly, why it is important to hash passwords in a web application. Hashing passwords is crucial for security reasons. It converts password into a fixed length string of characters which cannot be easily reversed. This means that even if someone gains unauthorized access to your database, they cannot retrieve the original passwords. Hashing also ensures that passwords are stored securely and protects against various types of attacks such as brute force attacks and hackings. Using a strong password algorithms like BCYRPT Brickit adds an extra layer of security by incorporating a salt which makes each hash unique for identical passwords. Okay guys, thanks for watching.